What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. Hope you're having a great day. Hope things are going well for you. So guys, in this video, there is something that I am seeing in a lot of the comment section of my videos, Facebook group, and then even some other forums as well. And I want to talk to you guys about it because it's something that I don't think you should really be that worried about, but I am going to tell you what you can do about it or what maybe you should do about it. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Let's get after it. All right, y'all, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So the question is, why is my grass turning yellow? Well, depending on where you live, you may be experiencing some really cold weather. So here in Western North Carolina, we are in the middle of December, and things even a month ago, we were still in the 70s. Well, the last couple of weeks, it has really turned cold. Highs have been in the 40s, lows getting down into the 20s. And truth be told, our grass doesn't like it. Now, we do have a cool season grass, but that doesn't mean that it likes the cold. So if you live up north, maybe you even have snow. So at least, I have my lawns green, but if yours already has snow on it, then you're not really worried about the yellow. But so why is it turning yellow? It's under stress, all right? This little thing right here, let's see if I can hit it. That thing right there, I think Pete calls that the big ball of goodness. Well, there's a whole lot of that, a whole lot less of that to be had right now. So because the days are shorter, the ground is staying wetter for longer. There's less sunlight, it's staying wetter longer, and it's cold. I mean, wouldn't you be stressed out if that were you? And so that's just the natural response that the grass is going through. Again, we are in the middle of December. Our lawns are not supposed to be beautiful green. Now we're in the beginning. Now in a couple months, once it's gotten really cold, all of this is going to turn kind of a yellow color. When you get really close into the turf, you're going to see that it's turning yellow. But it's not supposed to be super green and just perfect. It's not the right time for that. I say this a lot in a lot of my videos, but weather dictates a lot of what is going on in our lawn. It depends when we water. It depends on whether we're applying fungicides, and it depends on how our turf reacts to the weather. So if it's turning yellow, perfectly normal. So the question is, what are you going to do about it? Well, I'm not going to do anything about it because it's not something that I'm worried about. It's, again, completely normal, completely natural for the grass to be doing that. But if it bothers you and you have to put something down or you feel like you need to do something, here's what I would recommend. You can put down a little bit of maybe 505, the GCI 505. We don't want to put down any big shots of nitrogen, but maybe a little bit of nitrogen will help kind of green it up. Maybe a little RGS, maybe a little humic 12 would be okay. But again, you're in a season where it's not really going to matter. So just relax. Don't worry about it. It's going to be okay. So let me show you kind of what I'm talking about. So you can see my whole lawn, right? So even over here, this is where I just was, it's perfectly green. But when we come in here where it's shaded, again, we talked about not having a whole lot of sunlight. And so when you come down in here and look at those grass blades, here, let me pull one up for you. You look at that and it's not fungus, okay? It's just yuck. It's just, the ground is wet. It gets dew every morning. It's cold, right? And so this is just what happens. It's not fungus. We're not going to put down fungicide. We're not going to do we're not going to do anything about it. It is what it is, and it's going to be okay. Now it's more pronounced here in these shady spots just because, this is getting less sunlight. But when you come out here into the sun, and as winter goes on and we progress throughout winter, even that yellow is going to happen out here. But right now it's happening, in these shady spots, as you can see. That just kind of yuck. But Again, not fungus, not going to do anything about it. So sometimes when it comes to lawn care, we just have to kind of take the environment and understand what's happening in our lawn and to our lawn, and make decisions and make formulations based on that. Again, the grass is not supposed to be growing actively and green and beautiful. That was a couple months ago. But I'll tell you something that you can do is ask yourself, did you put down a winterizer? Did you put down, when was the last time you fed your turf? Mine will stay green. Now we don't get, tremendously cold here, but mine will stay green all throughout winter. Sure, those little parts will be yellow, but for the most part, it's going to stay green because I feed it appropriately. I'm giving it the right amount of food to help keep it healthy and growing and vibrant and green. Plus, here in Western North Carolina, we don't get those tremendously cold, extended periods of cold. So hopefully that, guys, helps you out. I guess my advice is just relax. It's going to be okay. It's perfectly normal, and don't worry about it. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.